Some real money games let you enter cash competitions without forcing you to unlock higher earning levels through a permanent tier system. Your eligibility is usually based on the contest you enter, not on reaching a long-term player rank. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that don't rely on a permanent tier progression for cash play, and what you should expect before entering paid competitions. Starting at number 5 is Ace Bubble Cash Da. This skill-based puzzle game lets eligible players join cash tournaments after meeting the app's basic requirements. Instead of grinding through multiple account tiers, you choose from available contests based on your location and eligibility. Number 4 is Anime 21 Blitzen Dado. This game combines solitaire with blackjack mechanics and offers skill-based tournaments for cash prizes where legally available. Players can enter different competitions without unlocking a permanent reward tier first. The available contests depend on the platform and your location rather than your account level. At number 3 is En Solitaire Cashin. Players compete in timed solitaire matches against opponents with similar scores. Cash contests are available in supported jurisdictions, and participation depends on contest availability instead of advancing through a long-term ranking system. The number 2 spot goes to A Blackout Bingo Deck. This fast-paced bingo game rewards skill rather than chance in eligible cash tournaments. After meeting the app's requirements and completing account setup, players can join available competitions without progressing through multiple earning tiers. Taking the number 1 position is G Bingo Cash Da. The app is built around individual skill-based tournaments, allowing eligible players to choose contests that fit their preferred entry fee and prize pool. Rather than unlocking rewards through permanent account tiers, each tournament stands on its own. Here's the important part. No tier system doesn't mean every player has access to every contest immediately. Real money games still have eligibility rules, supported locations, account verification, and entry requirements before cash tournaments become available. Those checks help the platforms comply with local regulations and maintain fair competition. Before downloading any real money game, confirm that cash competitions are available where you live, read the tournament rules carefully, and understand any entry fees before participating. That helps you know exactly what you're signing up for, and avoids unnecessary surprises. The biggest takeaway is simple. Bubble Cash, 21 Blitz, Solitaire Cash, Blackout Bingo and Bingo Cash all focus on individual tournaments instead of locking cash play behind a permanent tier progression. Choose the game that matches the style you enjoy most and always play within your budget. If this comparison helped you narrow down your options, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other guides covering legitimate games that pay real money in 2026.